Namaste Foodies, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make strawberry syrup which we can store for longer time and we can use it in future for making any mocktail or lemonade. So here I have cut the strawberries thoroughly and washed, and I am just making a puree of it. I have added some basil leaves here for some extra flavor. You can add mint leaves also if you want to. So here I am making a puree of this. So I am taking this puree out from the jar. After taking it, we need to cook it. So I am taking a heavy bottom pan and little bigger pan so we can cook it properly. I have added here about 2 cups of sugar, brown sugar. It depends how sweet your strawberries are. So these strawberries are very pulpy, soft and juicy strawberries and very sweet, which we have picked from the farm itself. So I am adding here 3 cups of water so that our strawberry syrup will not burn and we can make, and it will maintain the color of the syrup and flavor will be intact also. So here I am cooking this strawberry syrup. After cooking it, we can store it for longer time, 1 month or 1.5 months. And I have added a half teaspoon of citric acid here. Citric acid will help to preserve it for the future. In any of the fruit compote we make, we should use citric acid for the preservation. After one boil, I have added juice of lemon here. So I have strained it to remove the seeds and the extra fibers from the lemons. So let's boil it properly. So here after adding juice, I am adding black salt. So I am adding here everything because I am going to use this strawberry syrup to make lemonade in future. So I am adding everything here which we need for the strawberry lemonade to make, so that in future I don't need to add lemon or black salt anything in my lemonade, and just I need to add water or some carbonated drink and my lemonade will be ready very quickly. So here I have stored in 2 jars for future use. Let it cool completely and stored in jar. And here the strainer is juice strainer, not the tea strainer. So it will make it easily because it is pulpy, so we need like juice strainer, not the tea strainer, and we will strain it. Now I am making fresh strawberry lemonade to show you how we can use it in future. So we will strain it in the strainer, and in these 2 jars also I have filled the strained one, and we can, and now I am adding it in the glass. Half of the glass I have filled with this strawberry compote or puree or syrup, whatever, and here I have added carbonated drink. So it is ready to drink. It is very tasty. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for future updates. Thank you so much.